So why are we sitting next to each other here? What's the reason for sitting next to each other?
Well, that is a great question, isn't it?
It is.
So yeah, I think...
And I like the way that you're biding for time, and I'm giving you even more time to think about it.
Thank you. Okay, so we can start. So I came to, if I wouldn't have lost 70% of my portfolio, I would never have come to the conclusion... Before.
Thank you.
Yeah, before, but I would never come to the conclusion that I needed help.
Ooh,
and then, for some reason, I was on Facebook, I saw the ad with you, and I thought, what the hell? Couldn't get any worse.
What the hell?
And then I came there, right? And then it resonated with me, so everything kind of builds up. And it's the same, and it's the same. But imagine if you, I don't know if you've seen the movie Sliding Doors.
Yes.
It's quite interesting. Most people, they blame everything on other circumstances.
Yeah.
But if you get out of bed a little bit earlier, you make sure you have enough time, you wouldn't miss the train like she did in the movie, right?
Right.
So you could blame on other things, or you can always prepare yourself. So if you just make sure you have time for everything and plan for everything, there's not going to be any... Well, maybe sometimes the trains are cancelled, but if you take the train before...
But then could you still do something to still,
yeah,
like, even
exactly.
if...
Because most people are kind of just on the board and say, oh, this always happens to me.
Yeah.
And I love how you can turn it and think about it in a better way, because if you don't reach the success you want in the speed you want, it's just because life just needs to prepare you a bit more, or have other things or greater things in store for you.
Nice way of looking at it.
It is, and that's its own
preparing you for more. You're not ready for it yet.
Exactly.
And or you maybe there's something even bigger.
Exactly.
A bigger mind.
Yeah.
That's good. I like that.
Yeah, it's all about what you tell your mind. What do you feed? Tony always says that. What questions do you ask yourself, and what do you feed your mind with? If you feed your mind with rubbish questions, that's what's going to come out as well. And I became really happy. We are coaching a lot of our clients very closely, and this is the first one who ever asked me, Dennis, what did you do?
Oh yeah, you sent me this. Yeah.
So what I did also that. I modeled success. I followed the recipe, because when you have the cook in the kitchen, you know exactly what they're doing, and you're gonna make a video out of that. But so that's what I did. So there's a couple of things. You.
Well, me.
Yeah, and your strategies. So there's a couple of things. One thing is definitely follow the recipe and do it until it gets you the results you want. That's really important, because you think you're doing the right thing in the beginning. I can tell you, you're not.
Can you imagine, like you get a recipe, right, and you kind of follow the recipe, maybe change a little bit because you don't like as much sugar and stuff like that, and then you bite into the cake and it's not where you want it. What? And then you never bake that cake again? That's what most people do.
Yeah.
It's like, no, you come on, let's do it again, but do it better. Yeah. Follow the recipe better.
Yeah.
Practice.
And then practice doing 20 minutes every day. People say to me that no, it takes more than 20 minutes. Yes, maybe a little bit in the beginning, but what people do, they do 4 hours a day for a week and then they stop. And then it's way better to do 20 minutes a day for the rest of your life.
Absolutely.
Everybody can do it. You just need a recipe to follow.